Go ahead. Sorry.
Well, both teams are deep. Again, I think this is just who makes the shots. Ang TNT kasi, they made good shots in game one. And kung ang San Miguel will also make their shots in game two, we have a contest. Pero kung mag-depend lang sila palagi kay Junmar Pajardo, this will be a quick series. Which I don't
Mm.
foresee. Remember, I think sa anim na championship all-Filipino ng San Miguel, I think it's a collaboration between Coach Austria and Junmar Pajardo. So
Yes.
may chemistry na sila. These guys know how to win, Pau. So I'll never discount San Miguel. So tingnan natin kung maka-adjust pa sila for game 2. By the way, sorry, Pau, ha, meron para akong late condolence.
Mm.
I am a Roman Catholic, went to Catholic school for elementary, and I was told at a very young age na you do not relish in the misery of others. So, hindi ako nasiyahan na-eliminate ang Ginebra. Pero let me tell you this, I'm not sad either.